Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to host your HP website to Heroku. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel. I will host a website on Heroku using GitHub. So if you don't know about GitHub, Google it, and if you want to know how to create first repository on GitHub and upload project to it, you can watch this video. So let's start. First of all, you need a Heroku account. Click on sign up to create account. If you don't have, I have already account, so I just sign in. In this video, I just show you how to host a simple PHP site. You can watch other videos on my channel in playlist how to host Laravel project and other. Create a new app. Now type the name of app. Create app. Now here it's provide you three options. I use GitHub here. Click on GitHub. Now here you need to paste the name of your repository. Now I want to hold this repository, and the name of your repository is UI test. Just paste the name here. Click on connect. Now enable automatic deployment. Yes, I need automatic deployment. Deploy master branch. Now your app was successfully deployed. Click on view. Now you can see this is my app. So if you have any query, feel free to comment below. And if you don't know about GitHub, you can Google it, how to install GitHub, and you can watch this video. I'll drop the link in the description. Good luck guys. If you have any query, feel free to comment below. Subscribe the channel.